Hi, my name is Brian Larkin and welcome to my metal video series. This is lesson number 1, but I just want to talk a little bit about the whole series and what we're going to be covering. I'm approaching this as you would have basic knowledge of the guitar, how to sound a note with your finger behind the fret, or even maybe a few chords, basic right hand and left hand technique. And maybe even a little bit of theory knowledge, although we are going to be covering that from the ground up just to make sure everyone's on the same page. As we move through the series, we're going to be discussing right hand techniques like palm muting, alternate picking versus down picking, string skipping, and lead techniques like tapping, and other advanced techniques as we get towards the end of the series, such as sweep picking and economy picking. We'll be discussing left-hand techniques, such as proper posture when playing power chords and single note ideas, as well as left-hand legato technique, which would be inclusive of trills, hammer-ons, and pull-offs, and just basic exercises to get your strength and agility up in both hands and to get everything sounding as accurate as possible. And remember, speed comes later, so don't worry about playing any of this stuff fast. That being said, in this first video we are going to cover what I consider to be the essential elements of metal technique, the very basics. We're going to cover power chords in both open position and their movable forms. And then we're going to cover palm muting, which I think is the keystone, the cornerstone, just the core element of metal is proper palm muting technique and being able to utilize it in conjunction with other techniques and being able to fluently switch to and from palm muting. So those are topics we'll discuss in this first video, as well as a few other things.